Number 1, Chile. When Chile was about to separate from the Spanish Kingdom, in 1817, this flag was adopted. It's called La Estrella Solitaria, the Lone Star. Number 2, Texas state flag. 22 years after Chile, Texas adopted this flag, and, although it seems more like Chile's than the US flag, it's almost absolutely sure that this design originates from the American one. Number 3, Provisional Flag of the Republic of Brazil. This flag was flying in 1889, for the first 5 days of the First Brazilian Republic. Number 4, Liberia. The flag of Liberia was adopted in 1847, and it surely looks a lot like the US flag. Number 5, Northwestern France region. Brittany. This flag dates back from 1923 when it was first designed and used in this French region. It's called Buen Ha-Du in the native Breton language. Number 6, Yucatan, Mexico's state. Originally adopted in 1841, this Mexican state still flies this flag today to show regional pride and culture. Number 7, El Salvador. This is one of many El Salvador's flags used between 1865 and 1912, and it surely resembles the US flag. Today, the flag of El Salvador looks a lot different. Number 8, the Republic of Florida. This short-lived flag was active during the period when Florida seceded from the Union in 1861. Number 9, Malaysia. The only difference between this flag and the American one is that instead of white stars, there's a yellow crescent and a yellow sun in the blue square. Number 10, Cuba. Originally designed in 1849, this flag was finally adopted in 1902 as Cuba's official. Number 11, Togo. Although it doesn't bear similar colors to the US flag, the structural design of Togo's flag is about the same as the American. Number 12, Puerto Rico. It looks a lot like the Cuban one, but this flag is flying in a US Commonwealth territory, meaning that it's closer to the American flag than the one of Cuba. Number 13, Bikini Atoll. This remote Pacific archipelago flies this flag since 1987. Number 14, the Confederate States of America. This is the first flag of the Confederate States of America, which was being used for only 2 years, from 1861 to 1863. Number 15, the British East India Company. And, finally, this is the flags that the USA flag probably stole its design from. The first American flag, used in 1776, was virtually identical to this one. Later, instead of British Union Jack, the white stars were added, and it became the national flag of the USA.